First-time professional sign-up instructions. Follow these steps to sign up as a professional. Open search engine and type complinova.com. As you are visiting the website for the first time, click on the Empanel with us option on the home page. Enter your full name, email, mobile number, address, professional category, and other details. Read the terms and conditions and click on Agree. Then click Generate OTP. Enter the received verification code on your given mobile number and click Verify OTP. After verification, click Submit to proceed. After submission of your details, team will review and contact you to discuss your details briefly within 2 working days. You will also receive a mail from the Complinova team on the successful submission of your details. Once approved, you will receive a mail from Complinova team with a link to login in your account and your credentials to log in to complinova.com as a professional. After receiving your credentials, for subsequent visits, simply click Login at home page. Enter your mail ID and click on the Next option. Enter your password and click on the Login option. You have successfully logged in as a professional. To edit your profile in My Account, click on My Profile. You can edit your personal details like name, email ID, and contact number.